So, despite all that dumpage, it had no effect. It's like when the ETFs buy a lot, it has no effect. It shows you the market makers are doing their thing. Now, a little bit of excitement as to, I shouldn't say excitement. Well, excitement, I mean, for the next 3 months. We're talking October, November, December. This is a beautiful chart here. And you can see Bitcoin's price action this is from Funstrat, Sean Farrell. Sorry, I nearly forgot his name. Sean Farrell. Shout out to Funstrat. Great job. But Bitcoin's price action has been choppy. The cryptocurrency has been sliding. Again, that 58 to 62 for ages right now. And Farrell believes this volatility, or lack thereof, and low liquidity environment that has persisted through much of the summer, it really explains where the prices are at. Low volumes, etc. Now, that means when things kick off, there could be some exaggerated price movements. We have to see. Now, he did speak also, I think, of what's called seasonal sluggishness. If you look at the little red box painted on this chart, between literally the second week of August and the third week of September, things can be sideways. That is the seasonal pattern of Bitcoin. It can also take a little bit of a dip in November, but November is always the best month. So I don't know how that's showing up here. It's a bit unusual, but either way, we are in that doldrum period, as I've been calling it for weeks. However, I do expect things to kick off in September because there's not much time in the year and liquidity is going up, up, up,